It looks like a brick. It feels like stone. It's covered in tiny marks most people can't read. But inside this clay tablet lies a powerful story of trade, taxes, trust, and civilization. This is a replica of a Sumerian accounting tablet, over 4,000 years old. It doesn't tell a myth or a royal decree. It records something much more practical, an economic transaction. Look closely. Those wedge-shaped marks? That's Cuneiform, one of the world's first written scripts. This tablet reads something like, 28 measures of barley delivered by a kill to the temple of Enlil. Third month. Overseer. Lunana. A receipt. A delivery log. And a piece of audit-ready documentation. Long before spreadsheets or spreadsheets errors. Ancient tablets typically included 5 key elements. What was exchanged, e.g., barley, goats, textiles. How much was involved, who gave it, and who received it. When the transaction occurred, why it was recorded, taxation, trade, or religious tribute. These weren't scribbles. They were structured, verifiable records. And just like today's financial systems, they needed audit trails. Clerks, often working for temples or rulers. Verified deliveries, cross-referenced inventories, and resolved disputes. Accountability wasn't invented in the 20th century. It was baked into clay, literally. Fast forward 4,000 years and not much has changed. You send a shipment. You record the date. You list the quantity, and someone else checks the math, whether it's a spreadsheet, QuickBooks, or a clay tablet. The logic is the same. Trust must be recorded. This humble artifact isn't just a dusty relic. It's an ancient snapshot of economic life. A moment when one person fulfilled a debt, another acknowledged it, and a society kept running. And thanks to clay and careful scribes, that moment was preserved for thousands of years. So what's inside a clay tablet? More than numbers, more than barley. It holds the birth of bureaucracy, the DNA of accounting, and the foundation of every audit ever conducted. At IMAT, we read the records that built the world. Subscribe for more ancient insights, and comment below. Would you trust your taxes to a clay tablet?